Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pork belly barbecue step by step. First, choose a beautiful slab of pork belly, about 2 to 3 pounds, ensuring it has a good meat-to-fat ratio. Next, carefully score the skin in a crosshatch pattern, being careful not to cut too deeply into the meat itself. Then, create a flavorful dry rub using a blend of salt, pepper, paprika, and a touch of brown sugar. Finally, apply this rub generously all over the pork belly, ensuring every surface is coated for maximum flavor. Now let's get cooking. Preheat your smoker or oven to a steady 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the seasoned pork belly directly onto the grill grates, ensuring the fat side is facing up. This low and slow cooking method is key to achieving incredible tenderness. You'll want to smoke or roast it for about 2.5 to 3 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial phase builds a fantastic smoky flavor and begins to render that beautiful fat. Once the pork belly has reached its initial temperature, it's time to add that irresistible glaze. Prepare your favorite barbecue sauce, perhaps a sweet and tangy blend, and have it ready. Now, increase your smoker or oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Begin brushing the pork belly generously with the glaze every 15 minutes. Continue this process for about 45 minutes to an hour until the skin becomes wonderfully crispy and caramelized, creating a perfect contrast to the tender meat. The final step is crucial for a perfect result. Once your pork belly is beautifully crispy and glazed, remove it from the heat. It's important to let it rest for at least 15 minutes. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly moist and flavorful. After resting, slice the pork belly into 1-inch thick pieces or even cubes, depending on your preference. Serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes, and prepare to enjoy a truly amazing barbecue experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.